Well, welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube. We're going to show you these two saucers which are being listed on the Vintage and Antiques website. Try and give you a good feel for the condition, size, shape and quality of the china that we're listing in a video. It gives so much more information than a flat graphic. These are Queen's Garden design Aynsley, dating from 1934. They are in this turquoisey blue background or ground colour and then hand enamelled by the decorators. It's a grey transfer print basically, Queen's Garden, and then the colours all added as a later. Now the reference on here is 35090, that's the pattern reference. You can see that's been nicely applied by the decorators. Those period Aynsley crown marks giving us the dates for the production of this piece. And just look at the condition of this saucer, just look at the glaze reflection on there. Can you see a knife mark, a scratch on them? I can't anywhere on these. They are really, really bright. Good gilt retention all the way around the rims. Lovely rolling scallop trim on these. If you'd like to find out more about them, all the measurements, dimensions, everything is available from the website. If you are seeing these and think, wouldn't they be lovely if we had the teacups and the side plates? We do. We've got 4 sets of trios available. We do also have 2 additional side plates and a milk and sugar jug going online in this particular pattern combination and colour combination. Rare 1930s Aynsley Queen's Garden bone china, available on the English website here, Vintage and Antiques. We do ship internationally. Why am I making a big point of it being English? So do follow the link descriptions below if you'd like to see more details of these. Thanks for watching.